I'm Zanna James with a look at your weekend weather forecast. But first, conditions today began on a moist note with a few early morning showers. However, things dried out as the day progressed, giving way to mostly sunny skies with a slight haze here and there. Now, right now, we're under partly sunny conditions, and as we move into tonight, expect partly cloudy and hazy skies with the chance of brief showers over a few areas. Overnight temperatures are forecast to dip to 25 degrees in Trinidad and 26 degrees over in Tobago. Now, as we take a look at our sunrise and sunset times and head into the weekend, we are closely monitoring the very first tropical wave of the wet season. Now, although the activity associated with this wave has eased, it is expected to re-intensify as it approaches our region. Interestingly, this wave rolled off the African coast last Sunday and is projected to begin impacting us this Sunday. So on Saturday, expect breezy and mostly sunny conditions during the day. However, by nightfall, moisture from the approaching tropical wave will begin to move into our area. By Sunday, this is when we can feel the force of that tropical wave. So conditions are forecast to become overcast with periods of rain throughout the day with a medium chance for heavy showers or isolated thunderstorm activity. By Monday, a slight break in the activity. However, we will still have those morning showers and lingering cloudiness. But by Tuesday, that moisture will begin to dry up a bit, bringing a few showers by Wednesday. Now, temperatures are forecast to be in the lower 30s, but we will have a peak of 34 by Wednesday, and nighttime lows will be in the mid-20s. Over in Tobago, the tropical wave is also expected to pass and affect the island, bringing most of the rainfall activity on Sunday with cloudy conditions, showery spells, and a low chance of an isolated thunderstorm. Monday will follow a similar pattern with a brief reprieve in the widespread rainfall, though cloudiness and light showers will linger. From Tuesday into Wednesday, Tobago is expected to return to sunnier, more settled conditions. Temperatures for Tobago will be cooler in the lower 30s, but nighttime lows will be around 26 degrees. Now, following the passage of this tropical wave, a large plume of Saharan dust is expected to move in by Monday, bringing concentrations into the darker orange zone, which could lead to hazier and drier skies. Now, meanwhile, we're also keeping an eye on the second tropical wave currently in the eastern Atlantic, just off the African coast. Now, this wave is expected to arrive near our islands by the 29th or the 30th of May next Thursday or Friday. Now, it is important to track these waves closely as they have the potential to develop into tropical cyclones and even a hurricane during the hurricane season. Now, speaking of which, last month we reviewed the 2025 hurricane season outlook from the Colorado State University, and just yesterday, NOAA released its official forecast for the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, which begins on June 1st. It predicts a 60% chance of above normal activity with 13 to 19 named storms, 6 to 10 hurricanes, and 3 to 5 major hurricanes expected. Next week, we'll take a look at how many systems the TTMS anticipates may impact our islands. Now, sea conditions are expected to remain moderate with wave heights up to 2 meters in open waters and near 1 meter in sheltered areas. Slight increases are possible by Sunday when waves could peak just above that 2.5 meters. And while we all may want to enjoy sunshine on Saturday, please keep in mind that spring tides are in effect, which could lead to exaggerated high and low tides. Mariners and beachgoers should exercise caution during these times. Well, that's a wrap on your extended weather forecast. Have a safe and enjoyable weekend.